Given the constant flow of people at Tea Villa Cafe Bandra, it's obviously a happening place. Great food, lots of varieties of tea. In short, something for every palate, lots of fun, a casual chic atmosphere. That's the reason why people keep coming here, and that's exactly why I'm here this evening. Indian tea, black tea, green tea, Japanese tea, fruit infusion tea. Whoops! This menu here at Tea Villa Cafe is truly exhaustive. But of course, it's time to pour my tropical delight. The vanilla aroma, of course, is very strong, but yet not overpowering. I can distinctly taste the other flavors as well. Apple, currants, hibiscus, and all the other fruits in this tropical delight. Having a weakness for tea, I love experimenting with new flavors. Of course, sipping green tea at home is all very well, but an exciting cup of tea like this is certainly something different and unique. And I think Tea Villa Cafe offers a huge variety. And now I'm going to try some waffles. Again, an apple pie waffle. Dark chocolate, caramelized apple and whipped cream. Oops, that sounds like a lethal combination. That's the waffle I'm having here, the apple pie waffle. The waffle section in this menu has really impressed me. There's truly lots to choose from. But of course, being a fruity person, I've decided to go in for this one. So let's see how it is. The luscious chocolate and whipped cream have actually filled my mouth. And of course, I love the dark caramelized apple flavor as well. The fruity combination with chocolate is truly a wonderful match. Surprisingly, even though this is full of decadent ingredients, this waffle wasn't too heavy and I've loved every bit of it. Satiated with my waffles and of course my steaming cuppa tropical delight, I'm leaving Tea Villa Cafe Bandra with a huge smile on my face, but with a promise to come back for more. If you enjoy watching my food reviews, do subscribe to Mini's Food Fundas.